Today we're going to be doing second grade lesson 25 worksheet. So let's start off with number one. Measure to determine how much longer the pencil is than a paperclip. So we can see here that the pencil, if we start from here, it goes to about the end of the pencil goes to here. And then the paperclip starts at 0. And then the end lines up about there. So then the paperclip, it is 3 centimeters. And the pencil is 6 centimeters. So we're determining how much longer the pencil is. So that means we have to subtract the length of the pencil from the length of the paperclip. So that means we do 6 centimeters minus 3 centimeters. That will get us 3 centimeters, which is B. Next, measure to determine how much longer one line is than the other one. So the top of the line, it goes to about here, and then the the line on the bottom goes to about here. So we can just round the top. We can estimate that the top line is 3 inches, and then we can estimate that the bottom line is 2 inches. So it's same thing as number one. We're determining how much longer one line is. That means we just subtract 3 inches by 2 inches to get us 1 inch, which is C. Next, using the blocks below, measure the objects and determine how much longer one object is than the other. So the flashlight, it goes to about here, and then that's 1 block, 2 block, 3 blocks. And it says 1 block equals 1 inch. And since the flashlight is 3 blocks, that would mean this is 3 inches. And then now let's measure the snake. So the tip of the snake goes to about here, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. And 6 blocks is 6 inches. And since we're determining how much longer one object is, we would do 6 inches minus 3 inches. And then if you subtract that, that would get us back 3 inches, which is A. Next, measure to determine how much longer one line is than the other line. So this long line on top, it goes to about the edge of the ruler, which is 9 centimeters. And this smaller line on the bottom, it goes to about here, which is 4 centimeters. So determining how much longer is, we just do longer line minus shorter line, which is 9 centimeters minus 4 centimeters. That will get us 5 centimeters, which is B. Next, measure to determine how much longer the pencil is than the piece of chain. So the pencil, it goes to here, and that's 6 centimeters. The chain goes to here, which is 5 centimeters. Then we're subtracting the two lengths. That'll get us 1 centimeters, which is C. All right, next. Using the blocks below, measure the objects and determine how much longer one object is than the other. Box equals 1 foot. So this trumpet is 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this bat is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks. So 5 and 4 blocks, that means it would be 4 feet and 5 blocks. I mean 5 feet. So then we just subtract a number of 5 and then from 4. So that would be 1 feet. Next, measure to determine how much longer one line is than the other one. So the shorter line on top, it goes to here, and that is 8 centimeters. This longer line on the bottom goes to here, which is 17 centimeters. And if we're measuring to determine how much longer the bottom line is than the top line, we'll do 17 centimeters minus 8 centimeters to get us 9 centimeters. And that would be B. Next, using the blocks below, measure the objects and determine how much longer one object is than the other. Box equals 1 meter. So this car is 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. That means it's 4 meters. This train here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 blocks, which is 9 meters. And if we're using that to determine how much longer one object is, we would do 9 meters minus 4 meters, and that will get us 5 meters, which is A. And A is the only option that has meters, which is the units that were given in, so we could automatically tell that it's A. All right, measure to determine how much longer the piece of chain is than the paper clip. The piece of chain goes up to here, which is 7 centimeters. The paper clip goes to here, which is 2 centimeters. If we're subtracting the two lengths, 7 centimeters minus 2 centimeters, that'll get us 5 centimeters. And that's all we're going to do for today.